English enter system. Then they have the equal distance and non-equal distance. For this one, this is a non-equal distance. So we choose this one. And you come to the order management. Then you can say, this one 600. The length of this plate is 600. E, 25. This is E, 25. Then 1 to 5, 32. This is 32. Then the rest is 486. This part to here, 486. Then you need to enter this part, 32. Then this one will automatically appear 25. Is this one. Quantity 2. That means we will produce 2 pieces of this plate. This one single means you just produce 1 piece. Multi means more than 2. Every time when you begin to do the orders, make sure you press this one, 0. English enter system. Now we do the equal distance. This is a single, means you just do 1 piece. Multi means you do more than 2 orders. Single means 1 order. Okay, come to the order management. You have set different orders, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we come back, you have look. Multi means you can choose from 1 to 5, 1 to 10, 3 to 7. It's like this. Single means you just do 1 order, maybe 1, 3, 7, like this. Order management, okay? Like this. And this one currently, for example, if you want to do the order number 3, you choose here, 3. Order receipt. That means now the machine will do the current order number 3. If this is for single, if you choose multi, come here, you can choose like this. From 1 to 3. Okay, current is 1. That means the order will begin from 1 to 3. It's like this. If you do this, then 1 to 4, 2 to 4, like this. Then order management, or order receipt, order management. Okay? Don't forget 0. Then system start. Automatic order management. So here 500 means the length. Side hole center distance here. Okay, side hole EF. When you enter EF automatically, N means the numbers of holes, 1, 2, 3. D means this one, distance. Hole center 20 E. F will automatically 20. DE D5 50. 360. This one. Okay. Order management. Again, when you go back, single, multi, same like before. Single means just 1 order. Multiple means more than 2 orders. Now we do the multi. Order management. You can do the order. Up to 6. You can do from 2 to 6, 2 to 4, 1 to 3, like this. But don't forget order receipt. Then come back. Don't forget 0. Then system start up.